16 winters of silent, resentful observation from the frozen tree lines of the Pacific Northwest was all they needed to map our human weaknesses. Then vengeance for a generation. In 2008, University of Washington biologist John Marzluff conducted a terrifying experiment at coordinates 47.6062 degrees north and 122.3321 degrees west, trapping 7 wild crows while wearing a grotesque latex caveman mask. Decades later, wild crows that were never captured, including offspring born years after the event, still aggressively scolded and dive-bombed anyone wearing that exact face with chilling precision. The birds were retaliating. All of them. Identically. No known force could do that. In subsequent trials across Seattle, researchers documented these same corvids mourning their dead in highly organized, silent funerals, while simultaneously passing the mirror's self-recognition test and constructing compound tools from wire and wood. These wild subjects manufactured hooks, solved multi-step puzzles, and recognized individual human threats from hundreds of yards away, exhibiting cognitive skills we once thought belonged solely to primates. They even held somber, silent gatherings around their deceased companions, analyzing the surroundings to assess potential danger before communicating the threat level to the rest of the canopy. Neuroscientists cannot explain how a crow's tiny brain, which completely lacks a mammalian neocortex, achieves human-like self-awareness, passes the mirror test, and uses complex tools. The anatomical mystery deepens because their forebrains are structured entirely differently from ours, yet they perform abstract reasoning, recognize individual human identities, and communicate specific threats to their flock. Standard evolutionary biology suggests that complex cognition requires a massive, folded neocortex. Yet these feathered creatures bypass this rule entirely with a densely packed, alien brain architecture that processes information in ways we cannot replicate in any modern laboratory.